update about NRB's participation in Auto Expo here?
Yeah, NRB has been participating in the past many years with the Auto Expo, and we are pioneers in the needle bearing and cylindrical roller bearing category. We hold about 70% market share in the needle bearing category and about 60% share plus in the OE market for the cylindrical bearing category as well. We've got 6 plants across in India and 1 plant in Thailand as well. We are here as one of the pioneers of innovation in the needle bearing category, and we also manufacture bearings across various segments, which is the commercial vehicle segment, the passenger vehicle segment, the 2-3-wheeler segments, off-highway segments. Recently we've entered into emerging segments such as small gensets, off-highway as well as railways. We are happy to be here associated with Auto Expo for past many years, and our client range is one of the all the entire gamut of the auto industry as well as export market, where we hold about 25% market share, sale of our exports, goes to exports. We've also been a partnership with a lot of social organizations such as IIT and both in Powai and Kharagpur, and we've been sponsoring their vehicles as well as co-partnering with them for design and development of their vehicles. And many of our international customers are visiting the stalls here, and this year the participation has been particularly good, and we are very confident that with the response which we have received so far, we can expand our product range across the world as well as increase our penetration levels in India as well. So I think overall it's been a good.
You're surrounded by so many bearing manufacturers. So what is USP for the NRB?
Well, NRB stands amongst the rest because we are one of the, I would say, the only bearing company today which could proudly speak that in every vehicle in India we are present. So be it be it a small vehicle, a 2-3-wheeler, a scooter, or a truck, we are across the categories, and we are a 50-year-old company today. And we have a strong legacy of basically reliability and quality behind us. And many of our customers vouch for our products, not only because of our quality, but because of the fact that the back-end processes and systems in our company are very well established. And we have a very strong, deep-rooted raw material procurement system where we don't distinguish between the segments like an OEM or aftermarket. And our focus and our vision has always been to deal with friction solutions with a presence in every vehicle in the world.